How to pay with Flexiti on Wayfair. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can pay with Flexiti on Wayfair. The first step is to log into your Wayfair account, and then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to your home page automatically. And once you're on this page, the next thing to do would be for you to shop, all right? Get the items that you'd like to purchase and pay with Flexiti. So once you have the products, for example, if you've added the product or the items to your cart already, move to the top right corner and click on the cart option. So after clicking on cart, you can now see the item, and then once you're ready to purchase them, move to the lower right corner and click on check out now. So after clicking on checkout now, you'll be taken to the checkout page. And the first step is to enter in a shipping address. So the next step is to enter in your full name, and then as well as your address. All right, your address, your shipping code, and then you'll be asked to select a state. So once you've done that, you'll be asked to enter in the phone number as well. After entering in the phone number, just click on save and continue, and then click on confirm. You can decide to edit your address, all right. And then once your address has been updated, you'll be taken to the next stage. So on this stage, you can now see delivery and services and all. And then once you've seen the date of the delivery and you're satisfied by it, just click on save and continue, and then you'll be taken to the next stage, which is the payment info. So now the payment info page, you can see the different ways of making payment. You can see using your credit card, you can see Wayfair financing, you can see add a debit or a credit card, PayPal, Afterpay. Now you would see that you cannot see anything like Flexiti, yeah. So the best thing to do is to ensure that you have your Flexiti credit card. So if you have your Flexiti credit card, you can just click on add credit card, or you can just click on don't see your Wayfair credit card, select it, and then another prompt will be displayed on the screen. So once you can see this prompt, the next thing for you to do is to enter in your first name, your last name, your phone number, the year of birth, and then the last four digits of your SSN. Click on submit details, and then just like that, your Flexiti credit card will be found, and you can now go ahead to use it and make your payment. But here is how you can make a payment with Flexiti on your Wayfair account. Thanks for watching and have a good day.